Welcome back to online classes. I'm Muni Jyotish Kumar, Management Faculty. Government of India announced a lockdown of the country due to COVID-19. Since then, many students and their parents are worried about their future, their children's future, and they are frequently asking and approaching their faculty for clarification of many doubts. In the same way, my students are also approaching me, and a few parents are also approaching me for clarifying their doubts. So, for them, I am doing this video to give a breakthrough for their doubts and worries. So, impact of lockdown on students, how it will impact, and how the students and parents has to utilize this opportunity. Of course, this pandemic situation is a worried situation, but if you thought this is an opportunity, you can change this difficult time into an opportunity time for you. So, generally, students are asking, I'm scared my academic year has extended. What will happen after this lockdown? So, like that, they are questioning me. So, students, my suggestion to you is you need not to scared. You need not to worry about your academic year. The government of India is always favor to the students and the universities as well. The universities will also structure and frame all the guidelines in favor of students only. So you need not to worry about your academic year has extended, and you should do is you need to follow all the online classes of your faculty, and the colleges are also providing online classes for you, and as well the government of India is also providing online classes, and many websites are also providing online classes regarding for your subjects, so that you need to follow your class subjects. And this is my answer for this question. And next question is, my faculty couldn't cover the syllabus, what should I do? Of course, no faculty will cover complete syllabus even in the classroom itself, because the faculty will cover only 75% to 80% of syllabus in classroom. Whenever a student raised doubts, then only he will take that opportunity to cover the remaining syllabus. So my suggestion to you is, no faculty will cover the entire syllabus through online classes. He will explain you in a brief manner in the online classes, and definitely they will provide you a material for you. So use that material and prepare yourself, and for any doubts and clarifications, please don't hesitate to contact or approach your faculty members or your fellow students or fellow seniors. Did I get full information through my faculty's online classes? Of course not. You will not get full information. He will just aware you, he will give you the good impression on your subject. He will make you understand the concept in a brief manner, so that you need to look into your books and materials for understanding thoroughly and for preparing for your examination. So if you have any doubts regarding your subjects, please contact your faculty members for clarification, and ask them to extend their facilities through various sources. And next question is, mainly this question is I'm getting from senior students or final year students of engineering as well as MBA. How to compete with other job aspirants after the lockdown? Even the before the lockdown, there should be skills to every students, because in India most of the students are from rural backdrops, so they are just a step back to other students when comparatively. So my suggestions to you is, you should improve your communication skills. For improving communication skills, this is the right time you need to concentrate on, because the government is extending 5.0 lockdown, so that you have to use this opportunity at least 1 hour a day. Then you will be able to develop your communication skills and develop your self confidence. You need not to disappoint, you need not to bother, you need not to worried about your future. Whenever you have stuff in your mind, personality, and whenever you have skills, then you will definitely compete in the job market. So that my suggestion to you is, first develop a positive thinking attitude, and next one is concentrate on add-on courses. Yes, there are many platforms, government of India as well as many universities are providing, and they mandate that every student, when they complete their course, they need to have few courses, few certified courses online. So we have platforms like NPTEL, Swayam, Coursera, EduX. So these are all the platforms which provides the best courses, best add-ons which strengthen your resume. So that try to focus on certification courses in this lockdown period. Strengthen your resume. So not only the certificates will strengthen you, but also you need to acquire some skills. You need to know about yourself first. What is your strength and what are your weaknesses? You need to know. So apart from academics, you need to strengthen your resume. So it means you should approach the professionals as well as your seniors who are working in MNCs, or wherever the whichever the area you are thinking to work on. So just reach them through phone, or be in touch with them and ask them what are the courses, what are the add-ons, and how to strengthen your resume. They will definitely guide you towards your goal. And keep in touch with your seniors, faculty, and industry professionals. So always try to keep in touch, maintain relations. So maintaining relations and having good social relations is necessary in this situation, particularly for MBA people. So many after the lockdown, the job market will change completely. The work from home will become a mandate, or will become in practice also. So that try to be in touch with the industry people, and they will tell you, they will guide you towards your goal, and approach your faculty and seniors for any mentoring or for suggestions. Build your profile in professional social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. So please don't waste your time by just browsing and searching in social media platforms, but try to build up a professional social media platform for you. It will help you to be in touch with the people, professionals, and the industry people, and you will get to know lot of information on this social media platform. So that try to build up your profile in social media in a professional way. This will definitely helps you towards reaching your goal. Try to learn something new other than your academic skills. Yes, definitely, this is my greatest suggestion to you, because only the academic skills qualification will not help you to survive in your life. You need to have some other than skills. Say for example, if you are a marketing person, you need to you should, if you have learned digital marketing, it will help you. If you have a SAP qualification, it will help you to get a good job, as well as to reach a good position in future. So try to learn something other than your academic skills. Say for example, drawing, painting, and photography. So these are all the skills you should develop. So as per your interest, you can select your own skill other than the academics. How job market will change after COVID-19? Yes, definitely you can observe a lot of change after COVID-19, after lockdown in India as well in the world. So many e-commerce websites will come and they offer jobs which are mostly working from home nature. So this will happen not only for e-commerce websites, but also in many other companies. They will suggest you, they will take you as a work from home aspirant. So my suggestion to you is, you must have skill, you must have develop your academic skills as well as other than academic skills to survive in the business, to survive in the market. So for that you need to have communication skills as well as some technical skills. So my suggestion to you is, develop your technical skills also. Yes, in the next video I will come up with best courses available on social media for MBA, BTech and other students for strengthening their resume, which helps to survive other than the academic skills. Thank you so much.